Hi, my name is Tanaz Eskandari. Today's date is September 22nd, 2018, and today I'll be going over how to dissect a fetal pig and also go over its cardiovascular system. So there are a few structures specifically that I'm going to go over. We have the external jugular vein and the internal jugular vein. I also have the left and right subclavian veins. Then I have the brachiocephalic trunk and the superior vena cava. And the cephalic vein, and 4 other structures that I'm going to choose just to kind of show you guys where they're located. So if we are going to start the dissection, you want to lay your pig on its back like this, and in our case the head is stretched out, so that's perfect. We're going to start off with the external jugular vein, and so if the pig is laying like this, it's going to be to my left. The external jugular vein is going to be right in here, okay? And then we have the internal jugular vein, and that's going to be right in here. After that, we have the left and right subclavian veins. That's going to be a little bit more higher. So the right subclavian is going to be right here where the neck kind of meets the shoulder, so right in here. And then we have the left subclavian, same concept, a little bit lower down in here. Right after that, we have the brachiocephalic trunk. Brachiocephalic trunk is basically the artery that supplies the blood to the right arm and the head and the neck. So the pig's right arm is on this side, and it's this artery that goes in right here. So right here, and it goes up. So this little vein right here. Then after that, we have the superior vena cava. So the superior vena cava is one of those important ones that's kind of near the heart. So if I can move his little arms here, it's going to be right in here. The superior vena cava is going to be right in here. Right after that, we have the cephalic vein. So the cephalic vein is kind of in the right arm also. So it's going to be right in here. This is the cephalic vein. And then so 4 other structures that we can go over. We have the left common artery. So the left common artery is going to be right in here, right next to the carotid. So it's going to be right in here. And then we have the aortic arch. And the aortic arch is going to be right in here. It's a little arch. It's like a little C. That's kind of right in here. Then we have the axillary. The axillary is going to be the little vein that goes right in through here. This one right here. Then we have the vertebral. So a lot of these veins are kind of clustered together. The vertebral is going to be the far left on my left, his right. Left right here. And that is all for the fetal pig.